Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. This is a brand I have never purchased from before, so I'm very excited. As I'm unboxing, I will tell you more about the brand. The brand is called Duckfeet. It is a shoe company. So it's based in, I think it's a Danish company, and they use vegetable tan leather. Also, their boots and their shoes are handmade. On the website, there are a lot of information about sustainability, and on the website you can buy the also, and you can also purchase a resale service from this brand. So they do try to be more sustainable. And I heard very good things about them. I discovered them actually through a handbag group, and someone was posting a Duckfeet boot to match with their handbag. And I got interested and got on their website, learn about the company, learn about the brand, joined the brand's Facebook group, and watch some videos, and decide to give it a go. And also, while I was looking at I think they were on sale. I think 20% sale. It's like their holiday sale, and they don't usually have sales, and I don't think they have other distributors. So I just purchased the boots directly from their website, or I think you can probably get it from like the second hand platforms such as eBay or Facebook groups. Yep, it's a Danish brand, Duckfeet, and since 1975. They ship from, I think, New Hampshire, and it didn't take that long for me to get it. I'm on the East Coast, even with all the holiday madness. Okay, so when I got this boot, I would say it is heavy. It's pretty heavy. I got a winter boot. I think I opened it upside down. Oh well. Alright, here we go. Oh. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So their boots and their shoes, the style is definitely not sleek styles, just like their name. It's most of the design or the silhouette are like duck feet, so it should be very comfortable to wear. Oh, I'm like, am I doing it right? Why it took me so much effort to open? Okay, so first impression, I got to be honest, which color did I got? I got a royal blue. In real life, it definitely do not look very bright. It's more like a navy blue color, and the boot is heavier than I expected. Let me grab the pair of boots I'm currently using all the time. So I currently use UGG, and I would say UGG is much lighter, and I've had them for I think more than 5 years, so they are very beat up. And I decide to get a new pair of boots, and of course I have to get the same color because I just love navy blue. So you can see it's definitely blue, but it's not as bright as the picture shows on the website. The leather feels really nice, and these are vegetable tan leather. So I think this is the also that you can purchase. You can purchase the also from the website, or you can purchase a resale service. Then they will just replace the also for you, so you can continue to wear it years. And the ones I got have wool lining, so I need that during the winter time. My feet are always cold. The leather feels really soft and incredible, and you can see it's very thick leather. Feels very nice. So I think on the website, if you're between sizes, they suggest you to go size up. They go by, I think they use the European size, so instead of like 6 or 6.5, they only have like 35, 36, 37. Probably not even 35. The smallest size is 36. So I wear US 6 or 6.5 for most of my shoes, including boots. I got a size 37 because I usually wear like 6.5 for boots, and I just go half size up. I think 37 is equivalent to US size 7. And as you can see, it's definitely like a duck feet. Okay, I'm going to try them on very quickly and see how the sizing works. Okay, another thing I want to point out, the shoelaces are leather, so it's very nice. Very nice, and I like the wool lining. And you can purchase a wool insole as well. So right now it's a little bit tight, I would say. Okay, it fits perfectly, but the first time it's a little bit hard to put it in, but it works. It's perfect. I love it. Okay, so what stands out to me is definitely the leather. It just feels very different from the other boots I have. It feels like a much higher quality leather. I forgot to mention the price. I think for this pair of boots, the price is $298 without discounts. I got it during holiday sale, so I got for 20% less. And I'm very happy about the quality. I don't think I have had this type of outsole before. The Ugg sole is super soft, and I definitely had a lot of outsole wear, you can kind of see. So I'm curious how this type of outsole wear over time. And after using it for a month or so, I will probably provide an update and more detailed review about this pair of boots. So thanks for watching the unboxing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.